tip your waitress? You tip your waitress?
I didn't order anything.
You had coffee.
Why you got to bring that up every time?
Coffee with cream and sugar. $2. Man, what do you drink coffee? That's awesome.
Hard hitter edition.
Is this the hard hitter edition?
That was hard hitter edition.
Cool, cool. I got it.
That's not what you wear while riding a sport bike.
It fits perfectly.
This is what you wear when you ride your sport bike.
No.
They don't come far.
All right, we're rolling.
Shannon, and I'm one of the founders of Rock for Child Advocates. We started Rock for Child Advocates to raise awareness and funds for children within the Child Advocates organization. Child Advocates is an organization here in Houston that provides court-appointed advocates for children who are in the system due to abuse or neglect. And Rock for Child Advocates usually finds a particular need for children. This event is to provide Christmas for teens that are within the Child Advocates community, because oftentimes teens are left out through toy drives or whatever. We've provided camping supplies to children, Christmas, and we've had Metal for Child Advocates that's really kind of come together. And we're very excited that you guys have joined with us today, and thank you so much for your support. You can go to rockforchildadvocates.com for more information.